अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो बहुत दिन के बाद आज फिर एक रेसिपी के साथ वापस आई हूँ। तो आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं मटन स्टू। बहुत इजी है, वेरी सिंपल। दिस इज़ अ कोकोनट मिल्क बेस्ड ग्रेवी। सूप के कंसिस्टेंसी होता है ये, नॉट सो थिक नॉट सो थिन, बट वेरी टेस्टी टू हैव एंड वेरी इजी टू मेक। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। आई एम मेकिंग द स्टू विथ हाफ अ kg ऑफ मटन। तो एक प्रेशर कुकर में ऐड अराउंड 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil becomes hot, add 1 piece of cinnamon, 5 to 6 peppercorns, 3 to 4 cloves, and 1-inch piece of ginger sliced. Saute for a few seconds. Then add 1 large onion sliced. Also add 3 green chillies slit and a few curry leaves. Saute till the onions become light golden brown. Very light, just a pinch above translucent. Once the onions are light brown, add half a kg of mutton pieces. They should be nicely cleaned, washed and drained. Saute for a minute or two. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and continue sauteing. Also add a quarter cup of water and 1 cup of thin coconut milk. Cover and pressure cook for 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, cool, open, and now add quarter kg of baby potatoes. If you don't have baby potatoes, you can add the regular potatoes, just cut them into 4. Also add around 15 to 20 small onions, that is the sambar onions that we use, the small ones. Mix and add half a cup more of thin milk. Cover and pressure cook for 2 more whistles. We had opened the pressure cooker at 3 whistles, so plus 2, total 5 whistles. This depends on the mutton that you are using. Now cool and open. The curry is almost ready. The stew is almost ready. Transfer to another vessel. Check whether the meat is nicely cooked and tender. Keep the flame on medium. Now add 1 cup of thick milk. That's thick coconut milk. Let it not boil, just heat it. Cover and switch off the flame. You can garnish with more curry leaves. Stew is very easy to make. This goes very well with appam, roti, also with ghee rice. I would just like to mention that sometimes when we add the thin milk and boil the mutton, the milk curdles. But don't worry, here's what you can do. Take out whatever you have added, the mutton, the onions, the green chilies. Take out and keep separate. Blend the stew to get a very smooth consistency. Add back the meat, the onions and the rest of the ingredients that you had removed from the stew. Keep the flame on low and then add the thick milk. Mutton stew is now ready. Very easy to make. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.